Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 69. 나중에, 나중에. Again, our word for today is 나중에, and this is an adverb of time, and it is used to say later. Again, 나중에 is later. How do you write 나중에 in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable na, we need to draw first a nian character followed by an a character. For the second syllable jung, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an u character followed by an iyang character. And then for the last syllable e, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by the e character itself. And then we just need to combine these 3 syllables. And with that, you've just learned 나중에. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 59 to 68. But don't forget our word for today, word number 69. It's 나중에. This is an adverb of time which means later. The first word for our review is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. The next word for our review is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Next word is alta. This is another verb which means to know or to understand. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying, it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word for our review is utta. This is another verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word for our review is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. And the last word for our review is word number 59, 가자. This is an informal way of saying let's go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.